What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually about to go meet up with the homies Ryan, Brandon, Angelo, and we're going to be going to a car meet. It's one that we're hosting, but I'm not sure if the meet is going to be in this video or not. Kind of depends on how much time we have by the time I get over there and everything, and if anything else gets done to the cars and stuff. So they're already over there. They've been over there for a little while. I'm just getting off work, so I'm about to head that way. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna have time today to tackle this fog light, but it's happening very soon if it's not today, just so you know. Definitely getting tired of that. But car is a fresh wash. Yeah, it's been a couple days, but still looks fresh. The homie Frantz will be at the meet too. He got his new wheels, so we either gonna be able to show that or we do a little teaser or something. I don't know yet. Kind of depends on him. But yeah, let me go ahead and hurry up and head that way. All right, so just got here, linking up with the homies. Here we go. Frantz said he was on the way too. So he got some new wheels.
I seen him.
Sounds like it. Possibly. I don't know. Alright, here we go. See what these new wheels looking like. So far, looking good. Oh, little backfire. Kind of missed the air out, but we used to those around here. Oh yeah, that's a good combo. Definitely a good combo.
I just got them installed, bro. I was rushing. What do you think, bro?
Loving it. I'm loving it.
It's saran coated, green coats.
Nice. What's up?
They say I can't wash it till tomorrow.
Okay.
They say don't put no degreaser, don't put nothing on it.
Yeah. Looks good. Sounds good.
Right here, man.
Oh yeah.
It looks different. Lando likes the fitment better. He says the fitment is way better than the 10s.
So these are 10.5?
10.5, positive 12.
Nice. Yeah.
Angela.
You saw him?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he just left.
Where you going?
He got to run home. All right, so we about to head out. Yeah, I wasn't 100% sure we was gonna get a full reveal of the wheels during this video or not, but they definitely looking good. You got your fog lights off. You got your fog lights off. There we go.
It's on?
Yeah.
It's on?
Nope. They came on for a second. Oh, that's your brights. There you go. Well, now it's just the fog lights. All right, there we go. I was like, we gotta make sure they on. They got them bright lights. All right. Yeah. 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 This. We definitely got to get a thumbnail from this. Like, right? How can you not? Okay. Definitely. Okay. So yeah, we've been here for a minute. We about to leave. The meet actually started 10 minutes ago. So, new edition. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, we're gonna be rolling out from here. It's probably still gonna take us at least a half an hour to get there. But it'll be dope riding together. And the meet's going until midnight, so we're gonna be good either way. Alright. Yeah, the autofocus was tripping. But here we go. Nice Ultimate Coupe. set. But look at this. Definitely caught my eye coming in. And his driving height is real close to this because he was super low. How you doing? I've got you. We got a YouTuber over here. Gotta make sure I get him too. But before we do, check out this. Super clean. Let me know what you guys think. As always, let me know which car is your favorite here. But definitely make sure you follow the homie, Horsepower Labs. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Alright, we got a couple people who are a little further away. Looking good, looking good. What's up? How y'all doing? It's good, looking good over here. What's up? How you doing? Still haven't even made it to see everybody yet. I keep getting stopped. Now it's Frantz starting up. Yep. Hear him airing out. How you doing? I'll be over there in a moment. Hello, hello. How you doing? Godzilla. Very clean. The carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see it in here, but hold on. There we go. Hey, you definitely got it though.
Yeah.
Ride along.
might do some scrap this shit.
Got the alpha performance though. Whoa, hold up. Yeah. I still want those wheels. Different specs though. It didn't look like he went down.
I think it sounded like the Bradford.
I'm gonna have to cut that part out. Already sounds good. Got warming up a bit. Right? Alright, so this one is kind of all over the place. We were hanging out, and came to the meet, we saw Frantz new wheels, and it doesn't want to focus for some reason. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, it's a pretty dope meet. We're gonna definitely be doing more coming up. But man, maybe that'd be better. But yeah, but before we do, make sure you follow the homies. I have links to their Instagrams and YouTube channels down below, so make sure you follow the homies. But before we end it, the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you might be selected next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.